Are you a business owner looking to elevate your online presence? Have you considered the advantages of hiring offshore Squarespace professionals? Imagine having a website that not only looks stunning but also functions seamlessly, attracting customers from around the globe. But achieving this requires expertise and dedicated resources. This is where offshore Squarespace professionals can make all the difference. Offshore Squarespace professionals bring specialized expertise and cost-effective solutions to the table. They enable businesses of all sizes to achieve high-quality website development without breaking the bank. Businesses around the world are leveraging offshore talent to enhance their online presence and stay ahead of the competition. It's not just about cutting costs, it's about gaining access to a global pool of talent. Whether you are a startup looking to establish your brand or an established enterprise seeking scalability, offshore Squarespace professionals offer flexibility and round-the-clock support. The impact of professionally designed Squarespace website goes beyond aesthetics. It translates into measurable results, higher traffic, improved user experience, and ultimately increased revenue. Hiring offshore Squarespace professionals offers several compelling benefits. Let's have a look at some common benefits that you are sure of reaping when hiring offshore Squarespace developers. Firstly, it provides access to a global talent pool of skilled developers who specialize in Squarespace customization and design. Secondly, offshore professionals often offer cost-effective solutions compared to local agencies, allowing businesses to achieve higher quality results within budget constraints. Thirdly, offshore Squarespace professionals bring fresh perspectives and innovative ideas to the table, enhancing your website's creativity and functionality. Whether you are a business owner or an individual looking to build or maintain a Squarespace website, finding the right offshore talent can be a game changer. Here are some essential tips to help you navigate this process successfully. Before you start searching for professionals, define your project scope and requirements. Determine if you need help with design, development, content creation, or ongoing maintenance. Clear objectives ensure that you can effectively communicate your needs to potential candidates. Platforms like Upwork, PPH, and Fiverr are popular for finding offshore Squarespace professionals. Choose one based on your preference for pricing, expertise level, and platform features. Do pay attention to reviews and ratings to gauge the reliability and quality of each professional. Once you have a list of candidates, conduct thorough screenings. Look for experience with Squarespace, relevant portfolios, and client testimonials. Ask about their familiarity with Squarespace features, previous projects, and communication skills. Effective communication is the key to successful offshore collaboration. Ensure your chosen professional is comfortable with your preferred communication tools and time zones. Clearly outline project timelines, deliverables, and communication channels from the very beginning. Negotiate pricing, payment terms, and project milestones before finalizing the contract. Consider factors like hourly rates, fixed prices, and payment schedules. Use escrow services on platforms to protect both parties and ensure payment upon satisfactory completion of milestones. Throughout the project, monitor progress closely. Provide constructive feedback to keep the project on track and ensure the final result meets your expectations. Schedule regular check-ins to discuss progress, address concerns, and make adjustments if necessary. Upon project completion, review the deliverables thoroughly. Provide detailed feedback to help the professional improve and to ensure any final adjustments are made. Leave a detailed review on the platform to help future employers make informed decisions. Hiring offshore Squarespace professionals can be a rewarding experience with the right approach. By defining your needs, choosing the right platform, and maintaining clear communication, you can find skilled professionals to help you achieve your website goals. Now, let's explore why hiring our offshore Squarespace professionals is your key to success. At Softtrix, we specialize in harnessing the power of Squarespace to create stunning functional websites that captivate and convert. Our team comprises seasoned experts with a deep understanding of Squarespace capabilities. We innovate to ensure your website not only meets but exceeds your expectations. Partnering with Softtrix means maximizing your budget with cost-effective solutions without compromising on quality or creativity. With a global presence, Softtrix offers round-the-clock support and maintenance, ensuring your Squarespace site operates flawlessly across time zones. Unlock the full potential of Squarespace with Softtrix. Contact us today to discover how we can elevate your digital presence. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, comment, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.